The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra might finally fix the one thing users have been complaining about for years. Yes, the battery. Big changes are reportedly on the way, and they could be game-changing. Let's break it all down. For years, Galaxy S Ultra fans have been stuck with a 5,000 mAh battery. That's decent, but let's be honest, it's gotten a bit stale. The Galaxy S25 Ultra, like its predecessors, didn't move the needle in terms of battery life. But that could all change with the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Samsung is reportedly considering removing the built-in S Pen silo. Now that might sound like a downgrade at first, but this one move could free up a lot of internal space. And what does more space mean? A bigger battery. We're talking potentially 7,000 mAh if Samsung switches to silicon carbon battery tech. An upgrade we've already seen teased by some Chinese brands with 8,000 mAh cells. So if the S Pen doesn't live inside the phone anymore, where does it go? One idea floating around is to copy Apple's approach with the iPad Pro, use magnets to attach and charge the stylus on the side of the phone. And since the Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to have flat sides, this solution could work perfectly. Speaking of design, early renders show that the S26 Ultra will feature thinner bezels and a sleeker overall profile. But don't expect an under-display selfie camera just yet. According to leaks, Samsung is sticking with the punch hole design, at least for now. Under the hood, things are also looking exciting. The S26 Ultra is expected to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 with Galaxy AP, while other S26 models will come with the Exynos 26000 in most regions, except for the US, China, and Canada, where Snapdragon is standard across the board. As for the launch, all signs point to a January 2026 reveal, with a release shortly after. If Samsung actually goes through with this and gives us a 7,000 mAh battery in the S26 Ultra, without compromising too much elsewhere, it could be a massive win. But what do you think? Is ditching the S Pen silo worth the battery boost? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Galaxy S26 updates coming soon.